make a visual spectacle of sound waves using fire and music. Today, dive into the captivating world of DIY as we craft our very own Rubens Tube. To embark on this journey, gather the following materials: a steel or aluminum pipe, a gas line with a regulator, a speaker, a drill, a rubber hose, a gas leak detector, fire-resistant material, and a music player. Now onto the first step, preparing the pipe. Drill evenly spaced holes along the length of the pipe, the future stage for dancing flames. Next, attach the gas line to one end of the pipe, ensuring a tight seal. The other end connects to the gas regulator. Before proceeding, conduct a safety check. Apply a gas leak detector solution to the connections. If bubbles form, there's a leak. Make sure to fix any leaks before moving forward. The fourth step involves mounting the speaker at one end of the pipe. This speaker will create vibrations in the air, affecting the flames. For safety measures, always ensure a fire extinguisher is nearby and have a fire-resistant surface. Now comes the exciting part, igniting the tube. Turn on the gas, ignite the flames along the pipe, and witness the magic unfold. Adjust the gas flow for varying flame heights. Finally, sync your setup with music. Play your favorite tunes and watch as the flames dance and sync with the sound waves. It's a truly captivating visual experience. And there it is, a homemade Rubens Tube. Feel free to experiment with different music genres and flame patterns, but remember, safety always comes first. If this project sparks your interest, don't forget to like, share,